it again. After we tested the Evo Power Sports and the aftermarket Assassin's tune, a company called Whalen Performance caught my eye. They had a clutch kit out, and that's kind of what stood them apart from everybody else, in my opinion, is that they had a little something else to offer. And they had also posted a draggy time. I'm not going to say what it was because I don't know what this one runs yet. I literally haven't tested anything. I know that it feels a lot faster, but we drive so many cars every day, it's hard to say what it's actually doing. The one thing I do want to make clear from the last video is that we're unbiased. We're not being compensated by these companies. They're not giving us anything. We're paying for all this stuff out of pocket. So if there's anyone else out there that's testing, you know, all three of these tunes, I like to see them because it's not free and it's not cheap. So anyone who says we're biased can go pound sand. So regardless, we're here. We have the Whalen stuff in the car. We have their clutch kit. We threw their catch can on because they had it, and I was like, you know, if you got something that we can get, cool. So we ordered that. We had the draggy hooked up, and we have their tune, which is through Power Vision, in the car. And we're going to test it. It's a 91 octane tune. The aftermarket Assassins, I believe, was 98 or 50-50, we'll call it, and the Evo Power Sports was 91 octane. Neither of those companies offered us a clutch kit, so we didn't have them. I don't care what kind of fuel we run in this thing. The goal is to make it as fast as possible with the parts that we're offered, and that's what we're doing. So I don't care if we have to run this thing on, you know, pump gas, race gas, jet fuel, banana fuel. I don't care. I just want it to go as fast as possible. That's what we're going to figure out what it's about. All right, before we hop in this car and do our first pull, because I don't know how fast it is, I haven't done a test yet. It could be slower for all I know. The stock car went 494. Evo Power Sports with pump gas went 453. Aftermarket Assassins with 50-50 gas went 440. So I don't know. We'll see what this one does. That's where we're at. All right, the best out of three that we did last time. Four-wheel drive. We're not locking the diff. See what it does. And it was like hopping, so I don't know if there's anything we can do to like stop it from hopping, but we'll give it a shot. So yeah. Fastest times 409. You guys can see it in just a second. Drop it somewhere here, right here. 409. They call it 409. That's significantly faster. Dude, this thing is, it can't go faster on cement, I don't think. It wheelies. Like, there has to be a clip in there, that thing pulling the front tire. I don't know, maybe I can stiffen up the rear shock to make it hook better. I'm not going to, because that wouldn't be fair to anyone else's tunes. We didn't do that for anyone else, but 409, that's cooking. These guys are supposed to have an E85 tune out soon. Oh man, I get my hands on the E85 tune, we're gonna have some real fun. So there you have it. That's come a long ways from a stock car, and I didn't blow a belt. Maybe I'm cheating, I did have the belt cover off this time, but I can't afford to buy all these tunes and replace belts for you guys to figure out whose tunes are what. So belt cover had to stay off. Hope you liked our video. Subscribe. We're gonna have more stuff coming out soon, just wait.